Hello student, I am Dr. Adinath D. Badar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Late Pushpadi Patil, Art and Science College, Resort, Dist, Wasim. Today we deliver a lecture for BSc 3rd Unit 1st, that is chelating agent and its application, lecture number 1st. So, firstly, we see the contents of this lecture, that is introduction, example of chelating agent, types of chelating agent, property of ideal chelating agent, application of chelating agent, drawback of chelating agent, conclusion and reference. Now, chelating agent. So, chelating agent nothing but is a substance whose molecule can form a several bond to a single metal ion. One chelating agent form several or multiple bond with single metal. In other words, a chelating agent is a chemical compound that react with metal ion to form a stable soluble complex. For example, ethylene diamine or uh, oxalate ion or EDTA. The process in which chelating agent coordinated with metal ion is called chelation, and the resulting complex is known as chelate. For example, these are the some example of chelating agent. These are the oxalate ion, these are the ethylene diamine ion, and these are the EDTA. Now, protein, polysaccharide, polynucleic acid are the excellent polydentate ligand and called as chelating agent for many metal ion. Amino acids such as this one is glutamic acid, histidine, are typical chelators. Porphyrin ring in hemoglobin and chlorophyll acts as a chelating agent. These rings are called porphyrin and it acts as a chelating agent in chlorophyll and hemoglobin. Now, these are the example. These are the triethylene tetraamine complex. These are the triethylene tetraamine chelate. One chelating molecule coordinated with four bond, one, two, three, four. Then it is called as chelating agent. Here, these are the EDTA example of EDTA. One molecule of EDTA forms six bond with this copper ion, one, two, three, four, five, and six bond. Now these are the ethylene diamine complex. Here one ethylene diamine form a two bond with this cadmium. Then this type of ligand are called chelates, and these complex are called as chelating complex, and this process is called as chelation. Now types of chelating agent. Next part is types of chelating agent. Depending upon the number of site of chelation or bonding site present on this molecule, the chelates are classified, that is bidentate. Like example for ethylene diamine, bidentate means one ligand forms two bond. Then tridentate ligands, tridentate chelates called as diethylene triamine or 2,2,2 terpyridine. Here, one ligand forms three bond, then tetra, one ligand form four bond, pentadentate ligand, one ligand form four bond, five bond, and last one is hexadentate. One ligand form a six bond with a single metal. Example is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Now, the next part is chelating effect. What is chelating effect? Chelating effect is the enhanced affinity of chelating ligands for a metal ion compared to the affinity of non-chelating or like monodentate ligand for the same metal. Greater the chelating effect, greater will be the stability of the resulting complex. For example, in ethylene diamine copper complex have a higher stability constant than this methylamine copper complex. Here, this ethylene amine, one ethylene amine form two bond, then it shows a greater affinity or a stability of that complex to that of this methylamine complex. Some ideal properties of chelating agents are here. It is highly soluble in water, low affinity for calcium, form non-toxic complex with toxic metal. They are biologically inert, more affinity for metal than the endogenous ligand. These are now the next part is application of chelating agent. Chelating agent play an important role in many fields, like in agriculture. In agriculture, like metal chelate compound are common component of fertilizer to provide micronutrients. The micronutrients manganese, ferrous, zinc, copper are required for the growth of plant. Most of the fertilizers contain phosphate salt in the absence of chelating agent. Typically convert this metal ion into insoluble solid that are of non-nutritional value to the plant. EDT is the common typical chelating agent that keeps this metal ion in soluble form. Some of the chelating agent can apply directly to the soil for root uptake, other via foliar spray. Some are also well situated for the use of soilless culture as there is no formation of precipitate with the active phenyl range. Most common chelate used in agriculture are EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Here these are the and DTPA. Here these are the two example of DTPA and EDDHA are generally used for in agriculture industry. Now the second application in extraction of metal. For the extraction of metal from ore and alloy, chemical weathering is attributed to the chelating agent. For example, peptide sugar that extract metal ion from the minerals and rock. Chelation solvent extraction are an example of pre-treatment technique for the metal ion from aqueous sample, that is gaseous water. Another application in oil production. In oil field, chelating agent are used in stimulation of treatment and cleaning surface facility. Typically, oil field chelating agent includes EDTA, HEDTA, hydroxyethylene diamine triacetic acid, NTA, nitrotriacetic acid, and citric acid are generally used in oil industry for surface cleaning facility. Now, in industrial field, chelating agent are also used in industrial field, acts as a catalyst. Here, these use as a homogeneous catalyst are often chelated complex. For example, BINAP, bidentate phosphine in Noiri asymmetric hydrogenation and used in the manufacture of synthetic uh, minus menthol. Noiri asymmetric hydrogenation. It is a chemical reaction for the enantioselective selective hydrogenation of ketone, aldehyde, and imine. Here, these are the reaction. These are the two keto. For by using this binap as a chelating agent, it selectively hydrogenate at a ketone position, not ester position, and gives this one alcohol. Here, these are the mechanism, or this reaction is called as Noiri asymmetric hydrogenation. Now, another example that is a homogeneous catalyst. Here, preparation of synthetic menthol. Here, selectively gives a minus menthol with the help of this binap chelating agent with rhodium catalyst. Now, chelating agent used for the heavy metal removal from the electroplating influent. Chelating agent used to soften water in soap industry, like detergent. For example, citric acid chelation has little effect on the water's mineral content other than to make it soluble. This citric acid used in softening of water purpose. Now, another application is in a medicinal field, that is dental application. Detain adhesive system were based on a comonomer chelating ligand with calcium on the surface of the tooth and generated very weak water resistance chemical bonding. Another application is pharmaceutical application. Chelates complex of gadolinium are often used as a contrast agent in MRI, magnetic resonance, induction scan, penicillamine, which form a chelate complex of copper, is used in the treatment of Wilson disease. Antibiotic drug of tetracycline and quinolone families are chelates of iron, calcium, and magnesium ion. Now, in chelation therapy is the medicinal procedure that involves the administration of chelating agent to remove heavy metal from the body, like Metal poisoning. For the treatment of metal poisoning, there are number of chelating agents which use as a drugs against heavy metal poisoning in chelation for removal of arsenic and copper. Generally, dimeracropol chelate are used for the lead poisoning. EDTA chelate are used for the treatment or removal of lead. For lead, arsenic and mercury. Susimar as a chelate used for the removal of this lead, arsenic and mercury. Now, these are the penicillin amine, gold toxicity, copper, lead, mercury, poisoning. There are these chelates are generally used for the removal of this type of poisoning. Triarenin is used for the removal of copper, and deferoamine are used for the lead poisoning. Now, these are the mechanism of action of this chelating agent. Here, heavy metal in the human body are insert. Now we have insert a chelating agent. These chelates form a complex with this heavy metal and convert this metal into stable component, non-ionized, non-metabolized, non-toxic, and water-soluble, and eliminated via kidney and urine. Now, drawbacks of chelating agent: redistribution of toxic metal, accessional metal loss, no removal of metal from intracellular site, poor clinical recovery, pre-oxidant effect, DTPA, increased BP and headache and nausea. Now conclusion: chelating agents are important in medicinal industry and agriculture, in biochemistry and in other fields. Chelating agent form stable complex with metal ion, but in chelation therapy they have some adverse effect like burning of part where injection given, headache, kidney issue, low acetic acid, ethylene diamine, disuccinic acid, immunodisuccinic acid are most commonly used biodegradable chelates agent in place of non-biodegradable degradable agent EDTA and DTPA. Now these are the some example: PubChem, NCBI, chemstation.com, Wikipedia of chelating agent, and chemlaboratories.org, and winsphere.com. Now, thank you.